Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku.co daily stock market review for the trading day ending Monday, September 26th. Well, firstly to the S&P 500, and here we see the market selling off once again following the very strong selling of the previous day's trading. Large black body, good strong follow through here today. Sellers very strongly in control and showing very strong commitment to take out the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen. We do have a bearish market now in the medium and fast term timeframes by trading just below both of these indicators, and that negativity is now supported by the Chikou span being below the corresponding price action. This certainly does suggest that there is a very good opportunity here for the market to trade down to this 2134 level. Importantly, in the longer term time frame, we maintain price action within the Ichimoku cloud as we've done for the majority of the last 2 weeks. And this suggests that we have a neutral market in big picture terms, and that bullish bias that we had in that longer term time frame is no longer in the market. Now, importantly, this trading activity over the last couple of days is a special type of reversal pattern, and it's called an island cluster. And that's when we have an uptrend in place, and with all the reversals we always need an uptrend. So here's the uptrend coming off this 2119 level, gap up, 2 candles, and a gap back down. Tend to be fairly strong reversals, and it's called an island cluster because you have these 2 candles here and you have this like a river in between the island here. And last rush of enthusiasm by the buyers, sellers matching and more than matching the buys of that previous day's trading from a couple of days ago, gapping down. A lot of enthusiasm from the sellers here. This suggests that there is a very good probability of the market trading down at this 2134 level. And just looking at the bands here, and over the last few days we did see the market trading up towards that upper band and it holding as resistance. And with these next moves to the downside and gapping down through the middle of the bands which failed to hold as support and providing some resistance to this market, it does suggest that there is an opportunity here for the market to resume this fairly strong negative tone that we've seen in recent times. We do need to monitor the lower band, trading at 2138.91, and if we break out in a bearish manner through there, strong bearish follow through, taking out 2118, 2119, 2120 roughly, then we certainly could see much stronger development of a trend to the downside. Moving to the Nasdaq 100, and similar type of trading activity, but certainly not as large a black body candle here. So the commitment of the sellers here in this market is certainly not as strong as we saw with the broader S&P. We do have, however, that island cluster reversal and the uptrend in place, the gap up, couple of candles, gap down, but certainly not as much commitment. Strong support coming in at 48.16 and at the Tenkan-sen, and the Tenkan-sen is going to be an important benchmark for us moving forward. If that area is breached, we certainly could end up trading down to the 47.76 level of support around the Kijun-sen indicator, possibly down to the top of the cloud which trades around 47.54. But we still do have a bull market in all 3 time frames in the Nasdaq 100 on the daily charts, trading above each of the Ichimoku indicators, but just watching how we react to the Tenkan-sen over the next few days. And just looking at the bands here with the Nasdaq 100, and here we saw the market trading up above the upper band. Still a strong bullish tone, but a gap down to trade within the band suggests we are mean reverting. Looking to support to come in initially at the middle of the bands at 4798, and if we breach down through there, looking to support down at 4751 at the lower band. Next to the Dow 30, and the Dow 30 continues to trade within the Ichimoku cloud, giving us a neutral market in big picture terms. We are bearish in both the medium and the faster term time frames, supported by the Chikou span. Today gapping down, something of an island cluster reversal here as well, and importantly the market taking out just the bottom of this highlighted yellow zone of support down around the 18103 level. Now, the market has formed a fairly large black body candle here, good solid commitment, sellers in control, and a very good opportunity here for the market to trade down to this next support level at 17,967. Where the last time that we interacted with this area, it was the top of this highlighted zone and did provide very strong support. So that's going to be our benchmark moving forward if we do trade to lower levels. If the market trades within there in a bearish manner, we could end up trading down to the bottom of the cloud, 17865, which will be an important area for the market to be trading in. We'll be looking to support to come in at that region. And moving to the Russell 2000, similar type of trading activity, trending activity to the upside, gapping up. Another candle there, gapping down, forming an island cluster reversal. Importantly today, that previous window was taken out with the bearish candle. Fairly large black body candle. Sellers finding solid downside momentum, but still a bull market in all three timeframes, so trading above each of the Ichimoku indicators. This strong build of downside momentum, however, certainly does suggest that we're likely to test down around the Kijun-sen, which is close to the support level around the 1233.72 region. And moving next to the S&P 500 futures on the hourly chart, and here we saw the market trading in a negative manner today. We opened within the Ichimoku cloud, giving us a neutral market in big picture terms. The market trended down with a series of lower peaks and lower troughs for the majority of the trading day, and each time we rallied, the Tenkan-sen was holding as resistance, and we saw strong selling coming in off the Tenkan-sen each time we tested to there. This suggested that we had a very strong negative tone in that faster term time frame, and also in the medium term time frame by trading well down below the Kijun-sen indicator. At the moment, we are trading below each of the Ichimoku indicators with a negative market in all three time frames, supported by the checker span. Just starting to look a little overextended in depth away from the Ichimoku cloud and the Kijun-sen. If we do attempt to rally, looking for resistance at the Tenkan-sen around 2143, and then at the middle pivot point level 2145, and then up to the Kijun-sen at 2148. If we do see continued selling, first pivot point support level certainly could be tested 2131, possibly to the second 2122. The third and an extreme level around the 2100 round number, unlikely to be tested unless we have a something of a major shock in the equity space.